Hello and welcome to our channel. In today's video, we're going to discuss operating expenses in multifamily real estate development. But before we dive into the topic, let's first define what we mean by multifamily real estate development. Simply put, it refers to the process of building or renovating residential properties that have multiple units, such as apartments or condominiums. This type of development is popular in urban areas where there is high demand for rental housing. Now, let's talk about operating expenses. In the context of multifamily real estate development, operating expenses refers to the ongoing costs associated with managing and maintaining a property. These costs are necessary to keep the property in good condition and to provide services to tenants. Some examples of operating expenses in multifamily real estate development include utilities such as electricity and water, property taxes, insurance, repairs and maintenance, and salaries for property management staff. These expenses can vary depending on the size and location of the property, as well as the amenities and services provided to tenants. For example, a property with a swimming pool and fitness center may have higher operating expenses than a property with only basic amenities. It's important to note that operating expenses are different from capital expenses, which are one-time costs associated with purchasing or improving a property. For example, the cost of a new roof would be a capital expense, while the cost of repairing a leaky faucet would be an operating expense. Capital expenses are typically larger and less frequent than operating expenses, but they can also have a significant impact on the profitability of a property. As a multifamily real estate developer, it's important to carefully consider the budget for operating expenses when planning a project. These costs can significantly affect the profitability of a property and should be taken into account when determining the rent prices for units. For example, if the operating expenses for a property are high, the rent prices may need to be adjusted according to ensure that the property generates enough revenue to cover these costs and generate a profit. In addition to budgeting for operating expenses, it's also important to monitor and track these expenses on an ongoing basis. This can help identify areas where costs can be reduced or managed more efficiently and can provide valuable insights into the overall performance of a property. In summary, operating expenses in multifamily real estate development refer to the ongoing costs associated with managing and maintaining a property, such as utilities, property taxes, and repairs. These expenses are an important consideration for multifamily real estate developers as they can affect the profitability of an asset. By carefully budgeting for and monitoring operating expenses, developers can ensure that their properties are profitable and well maintained. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give us a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more content on real estate development. Until next time, take care.